Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 BMW 5 Series. So from any screen, you've got navigation here. It's the sort of kind of the nearest button at the top to you, second one down, whatever you want to call it. So if you click once, it's on nav. You click again, the destination menu comes up. Navigate with the iDrive to destination input. And then you've got United Kingdom, place or postcode. So just highlight place or postcode, click on that. Then you've got the thumb wheel, which is pretty good, I've got to be honest. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. Now we've put the first two letters in and we have to go down to the numbers. The numbers are greyed out, which is funny really, but you get down and it says further characters. So you click on further characters and then you've got numbers. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4J. It's defaulted back to letters S, and then we click the centre for OK. It's asking me for a street. I don't want to put a street in, but if you did, it's fair enough. And you just navigate down here to start guidance. Selected route criteria fast. That's it. So if we click to the left hand side, you'll see their spoken instructions.
Please follow the arrow on the display. When leaving, please turn right.
So the spoken instructions were switched off. If you just, as I say, click over to the left, it's the second one down, and when you get nearer to home you can either knock the spoken instructions off or cancel the sat-nav. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 5 Series. So from any screen, you've got telephone at the top. We're on sat-nav at the moment, but telephone is top right button, so we click telephone. And then you've got Bluetooth menu. We click Bluetooth menu. And here you can see Bluetooth add new device or my phone, which is paired. But you've got this setting sign at the side, like a cog or something. So we knock the iDrive across, and that brings up a new display. Configure device or remove device. Remove device. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 5 Series. The first thing we have to do is switch on Bluetooth. Once we've done that, we're looking at the bottom here. We go to telephone, which is the top right button, click telephone. You've got Bluetooth menu there, click Bluetooth menu, and there you go, Bluetooth is on. That's if you're having trouble finding the phone, make sure there's a tick in that Bluetooth at the top there. And then on to add device, click add device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as BMW 39881. There we are at the bottom. So we'll click on that. Do the numbers match? 138570. Yes, it does pair. And then we'll click OK. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And there you see it at the top. That's connected. Just checking the passkey here. And it's showing there's a tick in the telephone box and a tick in the audio box. That's quite important if you want to stream audio later. So we just click OK. Barry's iPhone's showing up there. I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 5 Series. If we go to what it's called, it used to be called iTunes, it's now Music. Onto Music, and you'll see here, if I click at the bottom there, there's a tick next to BMW 3 whatever, and that tick there means that whatever audio is playing on your mobile, if you have the correct settings on your audio system in your BMW, that's what will play through your speakers. So I'm going to turn this down. Then we go to media. Media is the top left hand one. Media. That's showing the record that's playing on here. However, if it's not, this can be tricky. If we click media again, it then brings up another option, and you'll see there. So it could be on CD, DVD, or online entertainment. So I'll just show you what happens. So that's on CD. Actually, there is a CD in here which I'll get out and let the previous owner have back. So we'll go back to let's see. We'll go back to audio. So that's on FM there. Now we want to play music from here through here. So we click media. It's showing up on no disc. So you can either click across there, or you click media again. Now, again, it's not immediately obvious. Lots of cars these days will say Bluetooth audio, but nothing there. However, there's external devices. So we go to external devices, click on that, and then you'll see there auxiliary front, which is auxiliary in there, or Barry's iPhone. And we want Barry's iPhone, so click on that, and that's showing the tune that's going to play. I'm going to turn this up, and then turn that down, because I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike, just to show you how the system works. That's it. Thanks for watching.